Hola, sean muy bienvenidos al segundo día del evento DTW de Team Forum. Hoy vamos a mostrar los detalles de nuestro proyecto Moonshot Catalyst que hicimos para este año.
My name is Marina, and here we are going to show how we demonstrate how the spatial context, AI agents, and the programmable network capabilities can orchestrate real-world activations and real-world B2B2X business with a new kind of aggregator, which would be the facility management provider. First one, I'm going to introduce the markets that we have. So here we have three different markets that we are targeting. The first one, which would be the open gateway of evolution, which is a 31 billion market projected up to 2034. The second one is the spatial web application, which englobes all of the goggles as well. So not only the spatial web, but all of the markets regarding it. So it's a 450 billion market. And last but not least, we have the Industry 4.0 with the facility management market specifically, which is the whole operations behind large venues. So a venue like this that we are here today, or it could be an airport, could be a stadium, is a 3 trillion market that we are targeting as well. And here is how we are connecting the three of them. The first one is how we orchestrate the workflows behind them. So it's all of the setup behind a actual physical maintenance, for example. So we have AI agents that interpret the ambience. Second, we have how we activate the first phase, which is how the network can help all of the engagement between the first two peers, which is how the open gateway will connect the whole ecosystem, and the third part which would be how we monetize all of the infrastructure. So how we monetize the whole ecosystem that we just showed, and all of the parts between them. So it's how to actually monetize the whole workflow that we are showing here today.
Well, here we have a representation of our solutions ecosystem. First and foremost, you have the venues, which are trying to buy outcomes such as uptime, safety, and guarantee compliance for their businesses. They do so by hiring facility management providers, which are the ones that actually orchestrate both the workflow initiation process and also the runtime execution. They do so by utilizing the exposed CSP network capabilities such as Camara APIs, Open Gateway, and the DSSP web nodes. And last but not least, we have the maintenance partners that are the ones that are actually doing the work order services and bringing the final value to the venues. So the use case we brought here is a real commercial use case. So in here we have an international airport as the venue, and it is trying to hire a maintenance provider to guarantee continuous operation for their businesses. So we have an actor that's electrical HVAC maintenance worker, and he's going to use a spatial web application in order to do the maintenance guided by AI agents to help him through the process. So we have 3 stages for this project and this whole ecosystem to work. The first one is to enable the environment. So we set up the workflows once. We do the platform configurations, we onboard the developers, and we set up the whole ecosystem. And this is what we addressed with more focus on phase 1 Catalyst last year. And this year we are bringing the actual runtime execution. So the workflows that were set up in stage 1 are now executed repeatedly and dynamically as we needed to, so that we can have the final step, which is the maintenance execution. Here we see a live demo of the maintenance procedure. Here, the agent, the maintenance worker, puts on the goggles, and he's arrived on the airport. So he's greeted by his personal AI agent. It's doing the edge connectivity bundle invocation. So it's calling Camaro APIs such as simple edge discovery and traffic influence to find which is the nearest edge server to provide him the best experience. Then the agent is going to locate the activities that are on his calendar. So we can see here he has scheduled HVAC maintenance. The agent is going to require additional identity validations. So he's going to check things like location verification. He's going to do a consent info API invocation, number verification, just the anti-fraud bundle. So you can go. Now he's validating the identity and calling those APIs. And now the worker is going to be teleported into the actual service room. Okay, now he's at the room which the maintenance actually happens. He sees the equipment and he can start the maintenance procedure. During this whole procedure, there is a perception agent that's embedded on the application that is going to guide him through the steps to perform the actual job. And we actually invoke a connectivity intelligence bundle that has quality profiles, quality on demand, and connectivity insights, so that we can guarantee that he has a proper connection to perform the whole job. So now the perception agent is guiding the worker through each of the steps required to do the maintenance. Now he did all the procedures, and he's going to be able to anchor the relevant information from this job that was done in front of the equipment. So they are going to have a history for further maintenance workers, and just the audit log and so on.